So, hey, welcome. My name's Andrew from Food Good. We've got the OONI Volt 12 that's just arrived. This is OONI's first electric pizza oven. It's a 12-inch wide, so it takes 12-inch pizzas. I'm just about to unbox it and set it up. Stay tuned. Right, let's get this thing unboxed. Okay, so first thing, we've got the Volt 12 Electric Pizza Essentials Guide. I absolutely urge you to read all of this if you're getting one of these ovens, because this is quite a bit different to how the gas ovens operate. There's a whole lot of controls on this. On a gas oven, it's just really more gas, less gas. This is more heat, less heat, but you can also balance the temperature between the top and the bottom. It has two elements. There's a bit of getting used to. I think with that it'll be a little bit different to what we've experienced with the gas ovens. What else have we got here? There's a quick start guide, which is always important. And then there's a whole lot of, important information on how to store it, how to use it, kind of tools that you need for making pizza. Because one of the things we've learned about making pizza is you do need tools. Just having a pizza oven on its own is not good enough. If you've already got tools, tremendous. If you don't have any tools, you're going to need some stuff. The absolute bare minimum is a launching peel, which is on the screen now, but I absolutely recommend a turning peel. It allows you to keep pizza in the oven, keep it warm. Every time you use a launch peel to turn a pizza, you're taking the pizza out and it's losing temperature, and the pizza drops a little bit, and we put it back and then it rises. If you keep the pizza in the oven with the turning peel, it just keeps rising. But you also have to worry about it burning at one spot or another, because usually these smaller ovens, not sure about this one because I haven't tried it yet, that'll be future videos, but certainly with the gas ovens you need to rotate them because there's a heat source at the back, and on the Coda 12, for example, Coda 16, it's L-shaped, so it's on two sides. So you just have to keep rotating the pizza quite frequently, every 5 to 10 seconds, actually, sorry, every 10 to 15 seconds. So there's showing you the dial controls and so forth. So there's a lot of good reading in there. That's essential reading. The Volt 12 safety instructions, important stuff as well. So let's get to having a look at what we've got inside. Let's open this up. All right, first thing, pizza stone. So it's a nice bubble or tubular bubble wrap. We'll open that up later. Let's get the pizza oven out first. Let's put that over there. Put this over here for safekeeping. Put those there. What else we got? Power cord. That should be, depending on where you are in the world, this one is fitted for Australia. So wherever you are in the world, you'll get the appropriate fitting. Just make sure you buy it from a local dealer rather than from an overseas dealer. That's the oven. Nothing in that box, so I'm going to get rid of the box. Okay, so we've got our oven. This oven has a door. You can see, let's have a closer look inside there. Let's tilt that back a bit. There we go. So you've got the element on the bottom, got an element on the top, got a fairly substantial lid that's insulated with a glass window, nice handle, 3 controls on the front, but we have a control on the side that we need to look at, and there is an on-off switch, a little rocker switch right back there. We have an on-off switch right there, so that's an inductive sensor. It's flat to the touch, there's no physical button on that. This one is a timer, this one is a temperature control, and this one is the balance between the top and the bottom elements. So there are our basic controls. So the first thing we're going to do is we'll set this up. It's really very straightforward. I'm going to get the stone. I'll open that up. I'll just check that the stone's in one piece. You want to check that before you put it in the oven. Whatever you do, don't be tempted to wash the stone. The stone really doesn't need to be washed. You may wipe it dry with I wouldn't even use a damp cloth, just wipe it with a dry cloth, maybe a microfiber cloth or something like that. Put it in the oven, turn the temperature on. I'll have a read first and we'll go through the process for tempering the stone and cleaning the stone. But I'll be doing a video also later on how to clean the stone, and I've also done other videos on the Coda 12 and the Coda 16 on how to clean the stone, so they could also be interesting too. Okay, so I've read the instructions. What we need to do is temper the stone for 20 minutes on maximum heat. You're going to make sure that the oven is on a non-flammable surface. That includes tablecloths and such. I've put a board down on top of the table that we have here to insulate the rest of the table. But yeah, put it on a table that's not flammable and there's nothing there that's flammable in the way or around. So what we're going to do now is I'll set the camera up so you can see what we're doing. Put that over there. Check the stone, I'll pull that out. So, stone's in very good condition. So, let's put it in here. Okay, so make sure that the stone sits all the way at the back. You can see how far it is, like there's one part of my finger. It did sort of stop there and there's a little bit of a bump in the way. You don't want it like that. You need to have it so that it is all the way in. If I push that, it's hitting against the side, so there's a little stop on the side. Push it all the way in, close that door. Now, you need to plug this in. Bear with me. Okay, now what we're going to do now is turn on. There's the main switch there. You can see the switch just there. Turn that on. You can see this light's come on. What we need to do is turn that on. And we're going to go to maximum temperature and we're going to go to 20 minutes. You can see what we're doing here. 20 minutes. Okay. So we're just leaving the balance as it is. Maximum temperature, 20 minutes. Let it time itself out. And there's the light inside the oven as well, which is pretty neat. So that's it for setting up your oven. It's really very simple. Don't need gas bottles or anything like that. You can have this indoors, which is really good compared to the gas pizza ovens. You can't use those indoors, but this is pretty good. So I'm looking forward to seasoning the stone. Once that's done, we'll let it cool down. That takes about 20 minutes, they say, after you've warmed it up for 20 minutes. It'll be cool to move in 10 minutes, but it'll be absolutely cool in 90 minutes. So my name's Andrew from Food Good. Stay tuned for more videos on the OONI Volt 12. So the next things we're going to be doing is our first pizza cook. Then we'll be trying some other recipes in there as well. Different types of pizzas and possibly different foods. We'll all give it a go like we've done with our other videos. Thanks for watching.